Hello, good evening. Welcome to the evening recap session. Hope your day went well. Starting from good, where we left in the morning, we're still on the downside since there's no close above this eye on the 4 hour. Just have you can see just this week explain above this eye right here. And on the 4 hour time frame, we're still bearish. So on the 1 hour, I'll be looking for. I looked for bearish opportunities today, and there was none. Though the market did rally downward today a little, and you can see in when it comes to do with the bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, one did form right here, though I was not in that position, and this probably be a loss or a break even. Let me see if it did up to 1:1 before the reversal. Yeah, that'll be a loss right there. But I didn't take that position. I didn't even see it while it formed, and that was around 9 a.m. The next pair is Euro USD. On Euro USD, we broke downward again today on the 4 hour. And that's just the recap. There was no trade on Euro USD today. Still be looking for the next week. This is another entry right here on Euro USD. And this is a good one, but it did form very early in the morning around 2 a.m. Was not active then. So I could not be in the position. On USD JPY, there was nothing much on it today. It was just ranging between this impulse a little, and though I was expecting it to come down, because of a lot of imbalances here. And if price can just come down a little, then to be a very good thing to take a buy position somewhere around there. And on GBP card, also on GBP card, like I said in the morning, I'm expecting price to come up a little, like into these biggest zones here, and to be a good thing to sell from this area here. But if price keeps giving the confirmation to the downside, then why am I not to take a sell on it? You can see right here, this is like an entry for me. You can see this bearish candle taking out this bullish candle, then it's probably close below it, but it's late already and it's almost the close of market. So I will not be in the position even if it formed. On GBBAD also, it's similar to GBB card because on the 4 hour we are still within this large impulse to the downside, and I'm expecting it to come up a little. Hopefully next week don't take a sell on it. On ADSZ also today, there was no trade. Literally, I didn't have any trade today. I didn't take any trade today because I try not to force myself into positions. If it's not really playing out well, then I leave it. You can see we broke to the downside again today. But this was even yesterday. Yeah, we've broken to the downside yesterday again, and obviously this trend continues next week. And on GBP USD, as you can see, this entry right here took me out here. I did break even on it and seems to be playing out well. Though on GBP USD also, we are still bearish. And USD card, I said in the morning, said I was looking forward to see price cross. Pricing price was around here, then I said I was looking forward to see it cross this line right here because the line looks like liquidity to me. Because here there's a lot of lows consolidating here. It's a very good, it's a very strong support. So I'm expecting it to get taken out, and low and behold price did break to the upside again, and this now seems to be the protected low for me on the 4 hour. So I'm not expecting price to come below it next week. From here, I'll be expecting to see the bullish engulfing form, then we take a buy position Lastly, for tonight, the USD CHF also similar to what happened on USD card. Instead of coming down to take out this liquidity right here, price did break to the upside again on the 4 hour. You can see obviously going to close above it, and this is now the new protected low for me. All right, thank you for joining this evening recap session. Literally, there's no trade today, and you know, I try not to force myself into entries. Though I was even exploring the 15-minute time frame on gold today, trying to look for the little entries formed, and it was not forming our way. And there's a lot of randomness on lower time frames, so that's why I stick to the 1 hour, and I think that's been working for me. Yeah. So thank you for joining this evening recap session. Hope to see you on Monday, 7:30 West African time, and have a wonderful weekend.